Dear student, our today's class 9-10 English first paper, class 9-10 Renewable Energy Unit 12, Unit 11 Renewable Energy Sources 2 not 1. Do you know what is renewable energy? Renewable energy means that can products many times and it can be produced more and less, and that's called renewable energy. And renewable energy main source are, main source is the sun. So our renewable energy main source is sun. Do you mention some electric related device that can be used in our day by day life. It can be electric bulb, tube light, stage light, charger light. It is directly not indirectly used, and energy saving bulb. That's mean our electric related bulb. So there is topics about Sohan, a boy who lives in western southern part of our country, such as Satkhira, Jashore, or Nagura, Norain, Jhineda, or Meherpur. Any of the district, it can be called west southern part of our country. Here mentioned, we especially the name Satkhira. Here I think it is a district of Satkhira. So Sohan doesn't sleep or read at all because of load shedding. His sister had her SSC examination next day, so she couldn't read at all because of load shedding. In May and June, the temperature shoots up 40 or more than Celsius, and people, sometimes when load shedding occurs, people come out on their bare bodies. So the night is very sticky and humidity there, almost 90% moisture in the wind. So there is a sticky hotness occurred, and people come out of their home in bare bodies and splash cold water on their faces. They sit in an open place and gossip there. In this way, people pass their day. It is very unbearable for us. So, such a situation, Sohan, do you know what is load shedding? Load shedding is occur when our demand of electricity is less than our demand. So then occurred load shedding. A few years ago, an article was taken from a newspaper, and the report says that our national wide demand was 600 megawatt per day, but the situation is not nowadays. It is increased. It is 10,000 megawatt. Now our demand is almost 10,000 megawatt. So we do not suffer now because of load shedding, because the power of electricity is enough. So it may sometimes load shedding, it is bearable, but a few years ago it is unbearable. For Sohan has as a boy who's mentioned here, who suffer from want of load shedding. So here the electricity board, rural board or electric supply board says that a few years ago our demand was 600 megawatt per day, but the electricity board can supply only 4,200 megawatt per day. But what is the deplete? The deplete was 1800. What? That means 1,800 megawatt per day. Here, the rural areas was demand, and the rural supplies electricity board REB, যেটাকে আমরা বলি পল্লী উন্নয়ন বোর্ড, can supply half of the total, and the capital city and the whole country demand are different. So you can see after reading B, you can see there is a gap in text C, column A, B and CD. Rural areas nationwide our demand was 600 megawatt, but the electricity board can supply. They could supply only 4,200 megawatt, but there is a distance, or there is a deficit was 1,800 megawatt per day. The rural areas, such as our rural areas, demand was 2,400 megawatt, and the REB, rural electric board, পল্লী উন্নয়ন বোর্ড যেটাকে আমরা বলি, they could supply half of the total. That means 1,200 megawatt per day. And the capital city, their demands was 1,400 megawatt, and the electric board can supply half of the total, 650 megawatt. There was deficit was 750 megawatt per day. So we can calculate how can the situation improving day by day by the government take measures, steps to improve electricity condition, and in this time government declared that 100% electricity for the general people, and it can be possible in short of time. So we can say, and you can see, look at D. There is a dialogue. There are two students. They make a dialogue. Here X and Y. We can mention here X a student and Y also a student. So you can complete by making a dialogue. There are some sample for you. There is helping something for you. So you can taking help from the textbook, and you can able to make a dialogue on load shedding. So you can try with your friend to make a dialogue on load shedding. Do you know that the summary of the lesson, Swan doesn't sleep at least the last night because of load shedding. During load shedding, the temperature or humidities in the atmosphere increase, and what happened? You can idea what's happened during the load shedding. So the temperature increase 40 degrees Celsius or more than, so it is unbearable. Generally people come out on their bare bodies and splash splash cold water on their faces, they sit on open place and proceed there. And the reason of frequent, do you know the reason of frequent load shedding? A few years ago the situation was unbearable, but now the situation is changing. So the report, it's a newspaper report, so a few years ago it can be, there is difference from today, because today's electricity production is very high and we almost 10,000 megawatt produce every day. So our today's situation and a few years situation is not the same. So you can compare with today's situation and a few days later situation. So you can write a topics on the situation on suffering everyday life, such as load shedding. Do you know what is load shedding? So we can mention here what is load shedding. There are some questions on whiteboard for you to solve it. Question number 8. What is load shedding? By answering this question, you can complete a paragraph. The title of the paragraph, load shedding. You can complete here. What is load shedding? Number B. When does it occur? C. How does people suffer from it? D. How does it hamper our economy? E. What are your opinions to solve this problem? You can apply your own opinion here. Number E. Your own opinion you can apply by using your own language. Using your own language. So by solving this question, we can complete a paragraph, and that's name will be load shedding. So I can help you in this way, such as what is load shedding? Load shedding is that when our generated power production is less than our demand. So it is, we can call load shedding. And next question, when does it occur? It occurs when our production of electricity is supplied than our demand. Such as the same situation. And number C, how does people suffer from it? People suffer from it here in many ways. They are concentrated on their minds, on such students, their studies. The refrigerator products are rotten. Sometimes the patients suffer from many ways. The operation is suspended and the productivity is decreased, and the machine, factories, mill and others related electric devices are stopped. So in this way we can suffer from it. How does it hamper our economy? It hamper our economy many ways. The failure of electricity hampered our productivity. You know our productivity. Productivity means day by day increase to products to produce products, and this way we can take part in our economy. And the next question, what are your opinion to solve it? You can apply your own opinion here. How can we solve it? Such as to produce more and more electricity, to use energy saving bulb, not to waste electric device, such as when we go out from home, we must switch off our fan, electric bulbs, etc. In this way, you can complete it. So, our next question, do you think that the same kind of problem of people, both in villages and cities, what's happened there? Make a list. The problems that happen to the people of both cities and villages. So, make a list of problems. The problems that happen during the load shedding time in villages or time, such as we can mention here, people in summer, especially in summer, people suffer much. So, in summer, they suffer much. The fan are stopped. The fan are stopped. People are waiting. People are waiting because of weather is very hot and there is humidity on atmosphere. And other you mention here some of, I can mention here one, and you can mention here another point, maybe the mill and factories are stopped, so production are hampered. Such way we can complete this lesson. So next class will be our next topics on energy sources 2. So you can take preparation and take part with me. How can we complete lesson by being of time? So be safe and sound by this time until we return back our next class. So today's